Now to our journey, our last journey. 5 of us embarked on that journey. I remember Mr. Bimbo chatted me and said he wants to come with us. It was a Tuesday. And I told him, my boss' journey is not always straightforward. Sometimes you can get in the air and divert somewhere else. And he said he was going to wait. I said he was still going to Abuja that day, and maybe we'll be leaving later in the midnight, and he said he was going to wait. I still try to let him understand that we will be in London